Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. And today we have a 2006 ZC Ford Escape XLS, stock reference number 3948. This shape runs from the 4th month 2006 through to the 3rd month 2008. It has a 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory steel 16-inch rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory steel rim with an average tyre. Left tail light. Bumper cover has a few scuffs here and there. Also a cutout for the tow bar. It's got a Heyman and Reese tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate has a few small dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror does have a little scratch, should come off. Right guard appears to have no damage, and right front 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls missing the temperature button, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.